This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include power windows, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, side curtain airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 32,000 miles. This truck's powertrain includes a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
R.M.Stoudt is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 800 23rd Street Southwest in Jamestown.